Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and run React on your Windows PC. Now the first thing we have to do is download Node.js, and to do that let's just search for Node.js and then click on the link that heads to nodejs.org and then download the latest version of Node.js on your screen. Now let's close our browser and then open our download folder. So here we have Node.js. Now double click to install. Next. Agree to the terms. Next. Next. And then install. Now after installing, click on finish. And then we can head to command prompt cmd. And then type in node-v and you should see the version of Node.js installed, which is the latest version, currently 22.14.0. Now let's create a folder where we're going to run all our React apps. So I'm just going to create a new folder on my desktop and I'm going to call this folder React. Now let's tap into this folder by typing in cd desktop, and then inside our desktop we have React, so we're going to tap in by typing cd react, and this folder is currently empty. Now to create our first React app, let's type in npx create -react -app. Now specify the name of your app. In this case I'm just going to call this demo-app and then hit enter. Now it is going to download all that is needed to run React. Press Y for yes and then hit enter. This should take some time, but you just have to wait. And the installation is complete. Now let's open our React folder and you can see another folder, demo app, which is our first demo app. Now let's cd into our demo app and then type in npm start. And React should load up in localhost port 3000. So you can see this is the address, localhost 3000. We can head to our browser, paste it in, and it should load React. Now let's head back, open our demo app folder right here, right click, and then let's open in terminal. Simply run code dot and then hit enter, and it's going to open our React project in Visual Studio. Now if you don't have Visual Studio, make sure to download and install Visual Studio. And here we go. This is our React project. You can see the public folder, src, and the rest of them. So basically this is how to install and run React on your Windows PC. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.